Alright, we're back with the GLE. As you can see, like I was saying, the entire dashboard, everything needs to be removed. That grid object right there, that is a grid heater. So on cold mornings, it doesn't need to wait for the coolant to warm up in order for you to get heat. This is a substitute, and then once the coolant is up to temperature, you get heat out of the cooling system. But everything is here. Now we'll take a walk over here to, hello kitty. This is our box separated. Now I'm gonna cut this light off. I don't know how good it's gonna come over on camera, but we're gonna hit it with the UV light and let's see how well it comes on. I might need to add a yellow filter to the video. Oh, never mind, it lit right up. So if we look right down in there, where all that green is showing, that's our leak. It looks way better if you see it in person with the UV goggles, but that's our leak right there. And we can see the fins on the bottom of the core has leakage. Where you see the green light up, that's where it was leaking from. So yep, we're getting to it.